how to fix client-server mismatch in League of Legends or TFT. So if you want to fix client-server mismatch in League of Legends or TFT, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your task manager. Right-click on your taskbar and then go with the task manager option, which is right here. After opening your task manager, you need to go with details. So click anywhere and then press L. And if you have any League of Legends applications open or services open right here, you just need to simply go and end the task of those services. Just right click on it and you will have end task option. You need to end the services of League of Legends. Once done, you need to again just click on anywhere and then go with R. And if you have any Riot Games services also, you need to just go and end the task of the Riot Game services or any other services that you don't use. In my case, I don't use this, so I'll just simply go and end the process. Do the same with any other thing that you don't use, only the applications. Now, after doing this, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then try restarting your computer. After restarting your computer, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.